Hey guys, Adam with CLEARBLAST. We're going to go over how to winterize the CLEARBLAST 150. It's really quite easy, doesn't take much time at all. So first thing you want to do before you actually hook up your air compressor or do anything else, you want to make sure your abrasive dose is closed. That is to the right, to the minus. You want to be in blast mode, and we want to have our wash hose turned off. Alright, next thing we want to do is come down below. We're going to open up our valve for our pot, make sure any water or anything in there is out. We're then going to reach in just below here. You have the water supply line from the tank going to your pump. There's a quick disconnect that we will disconnect here. And we're going to put it into your windshield washer fluid or RV antifreeze. Now you want to make sure that this is rated for below freezing. Not all windshield washer fluids are, so you want to look at that label, make sure it has a -20 or something of that sort on there. At that point, we're ready to go around and hook up our air. Now you can use your large air compressor. We have shop air and an adapter. Either way, you just need a little bit of air to run the pump. So we'll hook this up. And while we're here, we'll also open up our water tank drain to evacuate any water there. At that point, we come around, get our wash hose first. We're gonna open this up until we see the blue liquid. Doesn't take long. A little spatter, there we go. All right, next thing you wanna do is pressurize. Again, just a second. And then our abrasive dose will go open and close. And then we'll go ahead and take that down to depressurize, and that'll actually open the valve on the side, getting that water out. Now your system is completely evacuated with water. You can go back, you can take your line, hook it back up to your water tank so you're ready for next time. And we'll tuck that back up into the frame. All right, to go back to blast mode, we'll put our lids back on, and she's good to stow until you're ready to use it next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Again, this is Adam Souls from CLEARBLAST.